Madhubani paintings are one of the many famous art forms from India. This is typically practiced in the Mithila region of Bihar and Nepal, thus deriving the name Mithila or Madhubani art. The colors used in Madhubani paintings are usually derived from plants and other natural sources. Some of the earliest evidences of Madhubani paintings can be found in the Hindu epic Ramayana, when King Janaka, Sita's father, asked his painters to create Madhubani paintings for his daughter's wedding. Over time, Madhubani paintings became a part of festivities and special events like weddings. This workshop conducted by Penkraft aims at introducing Madhubani to art lovers. It will provide a hands-on understanding of all aspects of the art such as history, motifs, themes and techniques.
Penkraft conducts these workshops at a large number of venues all over India. If you want to come and learn these art forms, come join us for our workshops. For more details, call us on 9967455588, or if you're confident in your ability to do it yourself by simply watching the video. Ready-made DIY kits are also available on our website www.pencraft.in.